Hey guys, this is my Eastern Growler 2011. It has a low profile frame, chromoly frame, full chromoly forks, chromoly bars. Pretty good. I like the stem. It's a pretty good stem. It has Eastern frequent flyer tires. They're like 3 inches wide. They're pretty wide. They're nice. Blue rims, sealed front hub and sealed back hub. Full chromoly cranks. I like the sprocket a lot. It's pretty good. I like it. Comes with a black chain. It comes with a hub guard, which is pretty cool. Eastern Crown PC pedals comes with, all stock. But they're pretty good. I like them. They drive onto your feet, well, when you're doing jumps. Integrated headset and sealed bottom bracket. And I want to get better grips for them because I don't like these grips that much. They're not that good. So yeah. But overall, it's a really good bike. I like it. Okay, thanks. Bye.